You know you need to balance your hormones, take care of your health, and get relief from menopause symptoms. And you want to do it in the most safe and natural way possible. But how do you do that? Well, that's where I come in. I'm Dana Lavoie from danalavoielac.com, an acupuncturist and herbalist with over 15 years experience specializing in women's health. And I'm here to show you how to get the most out of natural remedies for menopause. I find that the biggest tool available to you is customized Chinese herbs, and they work better if you support them with the right diet for your hormones and the right lifestyle for your hormones, just before menopause, during menopause, and after menopause. That's what I'm going to show you how to do. So be sure and subscribe to this channel, stick around, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below this video. I'll see you soon.